Today we're delving into the untamed wilds of the Canadian wilderness to survive 2 weeks in this harsh, unforgiving landscape. I have no crew, I have no supplies, and I must live off the land until I complete my 375-kilometer journey back to civilization. All I have with me is 12 inches of dental floss, this tin can, my backpack, and ooh, that's not supposed to be in there. And we're off. Oh, I'm bleeding. I need a bandage. Oh. Well, all right. I think I've covered maybe 28 kilometers today, but this rough terrain is very taxing on the body. I'll need to find a source of water soon if I'm going to continue my journey. But look! A spring! Citrus splash!
So sorry, Mr. Cook.
Are you kidding me?
So sorry.
Thank you. That's more like it. Now this spring will provide me nourishment for many more miles of travel. So let's continue on. Covered a great distance today, but daylight is growing short and soon the frigid Canadian night will fall. I'm gonna need to build a shelter to keep myself warm. This here looks like the perfect place for me to build my shelter. Let's get to it. You know what they say about the sunrise over the Kalahari? It's red. Oh, man. To ward off frostbite, I'm gonna light a fire to keep me warm. We've set up our fire right here, but I'll use these flints to create a spark to start our roaring inferno. Any minute now. And look at that! Look at this bonfire we've lit right here. This will be enough to keep me warm through as long of a Canadian winter as I have to face on my journey. Just look at it!
Tiger, wake up. The world needs you. You're gonna be a star.
My mom, she used to tell me, get a job, you worthless piece of rubbish. But look at me now. Look at me now. I've got a show on the Discovery Channel. And where are you, Mom? You're 6 feet under the dirt, that's where you are. We've covered many miles so far today, but I'm gonna need to find a source of nourishment to sustain myself. Perhaps I can capture some local wildlife. To do this, I'll set a snare. And this looks like the perfect place to do it. We'll set up our snare right here. And for the bait, it's a well-known fact that none of the Canadian wildlife can resist the sweet, sweet sounds of the piano man himself. And now, we wait. And there is my dinner. Come on. Come on now. Take the bait. A little closer. Take the bait. There it is! Ah! Ah! It's a fighter! Ah! Ah! And dinner is served. Well, there's still plenty of time for us to travel before nightfall. Alright, in the last several hours, we've covered many miles and come to this stream. Now that we're here, I'm going to show you how using just a simple branch, you can make a fishing rod to sustain yourself in the outdoors. Just like this, it's very simple. You're going to take your blade, just take it to the branch, just like that. It's very easy to do. And like this, very good. And that's all there is to it. Just look at this. You're ready to survive for days, weeks, months, years. You've got everything you need to survive in the outdoors. People watch my show. People watch my show and they ask me, Tiger, where did you learn to survive? The Canadian winter continues to challenge me with bitter cold temperatures. But luckily, I'm an expert at weaving natural fibers to provide myself with the warm garments I need. Alright, we'll follow this river back to civilization. But look! A deadly crocodile! I said a deadly crocodile. Guys, where's my crocodile?
There's no crocodile.
Are you
don't have enough budget.
Are you trying to tell me there's not enough money in the budget for a crocodile? Because I wanted a crocodile in the scene.
Sorry, Tiger.
Well, it looks like the slippery little devil evaded us this time. But that gator had better watch out, because the next time I see him, Steve Irwin's gonna get a new playmate. And I'm also going to kill it. You know, I was raised by wolverines, you know. Were you raised by wolverines? I don't think you were raised by wolverines. You probably had a family. Maybe a house, a mother. You're not Tiger Cooks.
Tiger, what's wrong?
Just turn the camera off! Just get the camera off!
Tiger!
No. No. Well, we've still got a long way to go. No pun intended. But there's a terrible storm brewing, and I'm gonna need to find cover from this torrential downpour. But look! A perfect shelter from the coming storm. There doesn't seem to be anyone here. A mountaineer! Hello, sir!
I don't take kindly to trespassers.
Oh, well, I'll be on my way soon enough, but what I could use is some shelter and, maybe some supplies in the... No, in the middle of the shot.
I'm gonna skin you, and I'm gonna eat you.
Oh, well, that won't be quite necessary. Steve, I've got this. Now, you see, what I need is supplies, you know, supplies for my... Alright, guys, what's the big idea here?
It's none after you, idiot.
So you're telling me he's actually planning to cook us and eat us?
Yes.
He took my damn keys balls.
Guys, I think I can
No,
get...
no. I know how to deal with this. I've got a plan.
Tiger, don't
No, I've got a plan. Excuse me, sir. It seems like we may have gotten off on the wrong foot, because clearly you don't know who I am.
Your dinner, that's what you are, Redcoat.
Oh well, no, you see, I'm actually Tiger Cooks, world-renowned survivalist from the hit television program Tiger Cooks Alive and Surviving. See, you must feel a little silly right now since you've tied up someone.
I'm gonna peel off your skin take your soul energy and wear you like a suit.
Well, you see, maybe we can work out some kind of deal. You see, you could untie us and let us go, and won't be any hard feelings about it, none at all.
I don't like the way you talk.
Oh.
Shush. Hush your mouth.
I'm getting us out of here.
Go add some carrots for nutritional value.
Run faster!
I do think they're squatching these.
This is not the time.
Alright, well, I, for one, am exhausted. If one of you guys please fetch me a bowl of water.
Tiger, this is not the time. What do you think you're doing?
Get one for yourself, also.
Hello, dinner.
Wait, a road. Civilization, film me. So we've conquered the savage, untamed Canadian wilderness. Be sure to tune in next week when I take on the Amazon River Basin.